Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro Max, and in this video I am going to show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to hold on our wallpaper like this, and now as you can see right here in the left top corner we have an edit button. So we have to click on this button, and here as you can see we can add a new widget. So now here we have to choose widget, I don't know, for example this one, and you can just edit. You can customize it like this. Look, we can change size of it, and to remove this widget all we have to do, you just click on this icon on the left top corner of the widget and click remove. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!